Yesterday I saw this look on Instagram and definitely I wanna try it. And I'm thinking not to wear eye contact lenses today. Is that okay for you? Let's get started this beautiful makeup. For eyebrow I'm using this brow soap from Amazon. And with spoolie I'm just setting my eyebrows. Now I'm using this Inglot Pot Concealer in shade 63. And I'll just clean my eyebrow. For my eye makeup look, I'm using this James Charles palette. And I will mix this shade with my purple shade to create this kind of intensity. It feels like a little bit of darkness here in this area. After mixing those shades, I got this kind of dark purple shade. And now I'll blend these edges with soft hand. Now I'll blend it with lighter shade. And a little bit of highlighter here. Again I'll do my cut crease with this Vaseline. Just applying it here where I want to remove my eyeshadow. Now I'll apply concealer on my empty area. I'm applying this kind of dark shade again here to make more depth. How is this looking? Am I doing something or not? I know our shades are quite different. For this eyeliner I'm using this Avon eyeliner. It's FMG eyeliner in shade Tornado. Before eyeliner, I think I should complete my inner part. I'm using this lighter shade for my inner corner. See how flawless this one is looking with the lighter shade. And in this area, I'll apply a shimmer shade. Now I'm applying a little bit of glitter. And now I'll apply eyeliner and I'm wishing myself a good luck to apply this kind of eyeliner. This eyeliner is the hardest part. Let me try to create it. I just realized there was a curve in this eyeliner. I forgot to make it. Oh my goodness, this eyeliner part is quite hard. This is what I have done. In my waterline, I'm applying black eyeliner from Testic. Do you see the difference? With this brush, I'll blend this eyeliner and then I'll add brown shade. This is what I can do. I'm so sorry, I cannot do better than this. Here you go with the purple highlighter. For my lipstick, I mixed few shades to make this shade. And these gorgeous eyelashes are from Amazon. And here you go with the final look. I know my makeup is looking horrible, but at least I tried it. And I tried my best to create this look, but I failed.